Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel actually. I thought that today I will do my vlog in Urdu. It's a little bit hard for me because I'm not so used to of talking in Urdu a lot. Actually, uh, I'm saying all of this, but I'm saying it in English, so that's just sort of out of habit. But anyway, I'll try and do it in Urdu. So if you could please let me know कि आप लोग क्या prefer करेंगे. Shall I do it in Urdu or shall I do it in English as I was doing it? So anyway, आज it was kind of my day off and I had to go to doctors. तो डॉक्टर से वापसी में आई थॉट बिकॉज इट्स quite close to the town center and I couldn't take my car there because वहाँ पे parking बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती है. Then I walked from doctor to the town center. बहुत सारी shops तो वहाँ पे नहीं है क्योंकि अब it's the retail is very different the way it used to be कि जैसे बहुत साल पहले होता था. So anyway, I have तो मैं गई मार्क्स एंड स्पेंसर्स. वहाँ पे as you can see कि they are just selling. It's not they're just selling, but most of the stuff is all about Halloween now. बहुत सारा Halloween का stuff आ चुका था, but because I don't get chance to go there very often, तो to me it looked like कि अभी तो बस starting of October है, but they are just got lots and lots of Halloween stuff. October के end में वैसे I think Halloween होता है. Even Christmas stuff was there as well. तो I had a good look के क्योंकि Christmas पे as you know we have to give something friendly to our friend like chocolates or biscuits, even if you don't give a big presents. So वहाँ पे मैंने अच्छे तरीके से I had a good look around there. I did some sort of a window shopping as well क्योंकि I was looking for cotton bedding. So as you know, Marks and Spencer's always do the best bedding as well. I had a good look around everywhere. और थोड़ी सी breads चाहिए थी, like different type of stuff. So I got a couple of them. और इतने दिनों के बाद I just had chance to walk around the shop. So that was nice as well. Although we haven't got many shops left, but still, it was nice. और इसके अलावा that's it really. I mean because it's early in the morning, so obviously it was too quiet there. Also because I haven't been really walking a lot or doing much exercise because of different reasons. So I thought today, I have to complete my steps. I was aiming to do 10,000 steps. और by the time जब तक मैं घर से निकल के वहाँ पे वॉक करके जाऊँ और वापस आऊँ, it's a long sort of a long round route. तो मेरे 10,000 भी हो जाएंगे. So even without purpose I would just sort of walk in to make my कि मेरे 10,000 steps पूरे हो जाएं. तो बस they had nice colorful stuff. As you know, तो मेरा main aim एक तो यही था कि walk पूरी हो जाए और I was just sort of walking around. लेकिन ये कि घर जाने की भी जल्दी थी because I have to do my cooking today as well. What I do actually, because week जो है वो काफ़ी busy होता है, especially because of the work timings and everything, that I try to cook at least 2 days food, like 2 days cooking in a day. So what I have done actually, I have sort of got few things prepared there. और मुझे यहाँ से भी अभी कुछ लेना था. As I said, bread लेनी थी and I had to get spring onions क्योंकि spring onions तो वैसे भी you need to be very careful. You can't keep them for too long, otherwise as you know थोड़े ख़राब भी हो जाती है. तो बस that is the situation here. It might get quite boring for you people, But I think what I'm gonna do now, I'll try to keep vlogs quite short as well. मतलब मैं इसको बहुत छोटा करूँगी next time. So I mean, by the way, this is my one of my they do cheese scones, and I love those cheese scones, but luckily they didn't have today. Because they didn't have it, so मुझे मेरी diet, not really diet, but you know, I didn't have anything naughty. Let's put it this way, because if they did had it, I wouldn't be able to sort of control myself. But anyway, but as I said, I didn't take my car there, so I just walked back, and I literally completed my 10,000 steps by the time मैं घर पहुंची. So it's you know, I mean, it's a good walk, especially आज तो sun भी निकला हुआ था. तो sun is you know, it's very rare. We don't get sun a lot in London. I mean, not London, like in most in the whole England. Like in this year, since last, especially last year से बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. Heat wave just makes it so difficult for us. But luckily अभी अक्टूबर में it's very pleasant, but इतनी गर्मी नहीं है इतनी सर्दी नहीं है, sorry, जितनी के जैसे कि होती थी. Still, I'm still wearing like my, you know, thin cotton tops and nothing too thick. As you can see, nobody's wearing coat or, you know, even jumpers, क्योंकि ज़रूरत ही नहीं है दूसरी. It's sort of quite pleasant that you don't have to wear too many things. अभी तक मेरे boots नहीं निकले हैं, बल्कि तो किसी के भी boots नहीं निकले, क्योंकि we don't have to, you know, even wear the boots or anything. And that's it. So anyway, घर आते ही I've just got changed, और उसके बाद मैंने, as I said, I have marinated some prawns. तो मैंने बस उसको जो है ना जल्दी पकाना शुरू किया है. Chops, I mean, the best tip is obviously you have to chop everything first. Rice I've already cooked, because you can egg fried rice especially, or any fried rice are best when you cook your rice beforehand, or they are cold when you start to sort of make it. So what I did actually, I've just sort of quickly sauteed some spring onions, some you know, and just mix some refried some mixed vegetables, which got peas, corn, carrots, and once I've just sort of stir fried all of them, I've literally just sort of, you know, mixed them with my rice, and that's it really. So also I put spring onion, not spring onion, like white pepper. I don't put too many things into it, and because otherwise you don't really taste a lot. Also, it's about I think the main thing which makes your rice best is your, if you got the right sort of a soy sauce in it, and you shouldn't put lots of stuff in it. That's the main thing. So anyway, that was my rice, and then I'm going to, you know, saute my prawns as well थोड़ी देर में, क्योंकि normally I don't get इतना time नहीं होता मेरे पास to spend too much time onto cooking. So I just do quick things, to be honest, and there's always so much to do, and also I just find it, you know, difficult to stir with this spoon a lot as well. So I mean, altogether I just do quick things. Even, I mean, in fact, in future I'm gonna share few very quick recipes which जो मैं हर दूसरे, you know, which I cook very often, because it's all about कि work पे भी जाना, you know, how to do it smartly and efficiently. So कि work पे भी जाना है and cooking भी करना है, and obviously so you don't compromise अपनी health पे either. It just, you know, just to keep a good balance. And I'm sure, you know, everybody, सबकी life, अब तो life, you know, it's very, very busy everywhere for everybody, unless you know, you are living somewhere like in, maybe, you know, I don't know, places where you have housekeeping staff on you, if you got maids, जो at least मतलब लंदन में तो people don't have mates and that kind of stuff. But if you are in like Asia, or especially in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh and those sort of places, people can, and even Dubai as well, people can afford to have maids over there. So अगर आपके पास obviously maids हैं तो life gets easier, but here you have to do literally सब कुछ आपको, you have to do it yourself. So even when you cook, you have to think about, before you start cooking, आपको think करना पड़ेगा how quickly you can sort of finish your cooking, do your washing, keep everything away, and then just start again. And so now obviously the मैंने prawns, so as I said, पहले marinate कर दिए थे, तो I've just marinated it with soy sauce, a little bit of corn flour, and salt, and that's it. So अभी मैंने सिर्फ क्या किया है, I put little oil in it, chopped ginger garlic, and a little bit of green chilies in fact as well, and just I'm sauteing everything. And once you saute it, उसमें बस ये जितनी वेज है आपकी, whatever your fancy, whatever you got at home. ये मेरे पास तो leftovers थे, and usually I cook or make something Chinese when I have when I ended up having lots of बची कुची सब्जियाँ होती हैं, so you just make something out of those बची कुची सब्जियाँ. And Chinese is the best option, or best cuisine to use all your bachi kuchi sabziyan. So that's what I've done. I've just used all my bachi kuchi sabzis, and just in fact rather vegetables, and then I've just made this sort of prawn vegetables in this garlicky sauce. And I mean, it didn't turn out really nice though, because my mom used to make it as well. But I mean, she didn't used to make it with leftover veggies, but I do make it with leftover veggies. Sometimes I put जैसे अगर मेरे पास asparagus हो, broccoli हो, या जो भी हो, it makes no difference whatsoever. Or even prawn use करने, you can make it vegetarian. आप इसमें cauliflower डाल दें, आप इसमें कुछ भी डाल दें, it still turns out right. तो बस ये है. So this is my also. I was thinking कि I will make some because it was my day off. So I was thinking to make कोई dessert भी बनाऊँ, but it was, I really wanted something healthy. So what I've done, I mean, by the way, this is the vegetarian oyster sauce, क्योंकि I don't use I mean mainly तो मैं vegetarian type ही हूँ, but sometimes obviously I eat some seafood, which is just about fish and prawns. I don't eat any other seafood. तो लेकिन ये जो oyster sauce है, जब से मैंने ये oyster sauce यूज़ करना शुरू किया है, it has completely changed. It has taken my Chinese food to next level. I mean home cooked Chinese food to next level. तो अगर आपको कहीं से मिल सकती है तो please go and get it, and you will be surprised कि कितना difference it has made, or it will make to your cooking, to your Chinese cuisine which you cook at home. So anyway, it's ready now. So it's literally, it got nothing in it, just soy sauce and all that marination which I've done, and that's it really, and it's done. And the main thing, as I said, is this vegetarian oyster sauce. Okay, so now I'm making this peach parfait, and I think it's called parfait. मुझे तो यही याद आ रहा है कि इसको parfait बोलते हैं. It got nothing, again, no sugar in it, so just very sweet peaches, a layer of yogurt, and I've got ये मैंने Lidl से लिया है. So ये इसमें है flax seeds, blueberries, dried form में जिसको crush किया हुआ है, and so I'm just putting, because blueberries तो थोड़ी थोड़ी मीठी होती हैं, तो वो it has given that nice crunch and very nice flavor as well, plus obviously it's healthy. So that, I mean, just 2 minutes में you got this best healthy dessert as well. So all in all, it was a very nice dessert, and this is obviously the almonds, the flaked almonds which I've put on top of it. तो इस तरह से बस मेरा ये special day off, or a week, not really weekend, it wasn't a weekend, it was Monday, but I had to मुझे time off लेना पड़ा because मेरे doctor के appointments की वजह से. तो please let me know, अगर आपको मुझे, shall I do my vlogs in English or Urdu, or I mean, it was really nice as well, what I've cooked. I really enjoyed it. Thoroughly mera, I enjoyed it. And then I just had a good rest on that day because it was getting very hard. But thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye. Okay, Allah Hafiz.